The biggest challenge which
Trainers and coaches face today is to find your niche, find your identity, or find your specialization, my dear friends. And this is where three things can really help you. The first one would be to find out how can your prior experience help you? How can your previous experience help you? In fact, if you create a niche or an identity or a specialization which is based on your past experience, you already build the credibility. The second one, I would say, is the problem you want to resolve in this world. There are a lot of people who want to resolve problems. A lot of trainers and coaches want to resolve problems. And hence, your ability to resolve a problem can make you a great trainer. So if your niche is based on that, that can be a great idea. Let's say a lot of people say, hey, you know what, I have struggled a lot to find out a job, and hence I would create training programs and coaching programs which is more for students to be job ready. Or you say, hey, you know what, I'm a woman and entrepreneur, a woman leader, and I've seen women entrepreneurs facing a lot of issues, and hence my niche would be to create more women leaders. So the problem you want to resolve is my second thing, my dear friends. And the third thing is your future interest. Where is your future interest lying? It's okay to say that, hey, I've not got any experience in a specific area in the past, but this is my future interest. It can be fitness, it can be spirituality, it can be leadership. And hence, if you can take care of these three things, it will help you to find out your niche, and hence you can be a great trainer and a coach. Thank you.